All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Would you look at this? I got a pretty cool unboxing right over here to do. This is the Shell Idea S3, and it's a pretty cool new product that we've got on the shop. You can check it out. It is pretty nice. I'm gonna show you how to do it. This is the Zirk version, and there's a three part. It's pretty cool. You get to have some fun installing and putting the pieces together by yourself. It's pretty cool. That's part of the fun, right? So let's see what we have in these boxes, pouches, kind of. Let's say, and this is the Zirk version. There is a titanium version, and it's going to be marked right over here, as you can see on the packages, and there's pieces falling down. Let's see. We can use some knife. Look at this. Let's use this fella right over here to do a little bit of opening. Let's start by these guys right over here. Actually, there's no need for this. It was just to show off because, of course, all these, they have like a little tab that you can just rip and you're gonna be fine. Right over here we got this fella. Oh, I just realized I was rubbing up against the mic. Hope I wasn't making too much of a noise. There we go. We got these and this one right over here. So together with this you get to use these if you wish, I believe, or not. So I would say that these guys are going like so, as that's pretty cool. You have the S3 designer. This is these are the two outer parts, and this is the central. That's pretty cool, with some transparency going on over here, and bam, and bam. And this thing just snaps together. Of course, this just slides away because there's no balls in place. Really smooth even with no balls installed. Let's see. Grab some of these. Let's do one. Let's do one each. Oops. There we go. So in each tube, see, you get 8. Ooh, really strong magnet. Oh yeah, baby. We are in business. Look at this. This is the Zirk one. Ooh, nice weight, guys. Hold on, let me check the weight on the scale. This is a pretty cool one. I'm throwing stuff on the floor today. I'm excited. This thing sounds pretty phenomenal, I'm telling you. And it's gonna be weighing in at 148.6 grams, or if you like ounces, 5.24. Just to give you an idea, this fella is 6.6, and this is a big boy, chunky boy. Ooh. I mean, just to give you another chunker idea, look at this, 6.2. We are in, oh yeah, this is gonna be, actually, this can easily become one of my favorites. You know why? Because not only you have a pretty cool slider. Let me measure the... Oh, and the battery died on me, guys. But let's go analog. We got, look at this, 2.5 inches, or if you like centimeter, it's going to be 6 centimeters in length and 1.8 in thickness, which kind of like 3/4 of an inch, a little bit less, an inch wide, so 2.5 centimeter roughly. The pretty cool thing about this fella that I wanted to show you is that you can remove the inserts, I believe, with... put this back, because I got a bunch of pretty cool inserts I want to show you. Look at this, that you can install. So this is the eye of the tiger, guys. This is fancy. We're getting into fancy realm right over here. Would you look at this beauty that you can install right over here. Let me see how would you go about and do that. You see, I got the Van Gogh also. You can customize your toy, and also, of course, let me find a way to punch that bad boy out. I think I don't know if this is gonna work. Maybe this is the thing. No, it cannot be. No, oops, it can't be that. No, this is just a... Oh yeah, right. Pretty cool. So this is a protector that is gonna go installed, and I'm just gonna do it right now, like so. Actually, let's do it perfectly. So you have this, you can just get rid of this little tab. So this one, I need to find something pretty pointy. Maybe this fella, it's going to help. You see, something like this. And just push out, because there's magnets involved, push out the insert, like so, and you just install this one. Ah, very cool, I would have to say. That's one. Ooh, guys, I think I might have found, so like this, you see, you have the little hole, you just put this thing in, just push it gently, and on the other side you can just detach it, and just wow. All right, this is the ASMR module, because actually it has some pretty cool sound dampening properties. So you see, you just peel this thing off on this side right over here, and just like so. So you have the tab that you can install on this side. Bam. Remove. You can remove even with the tweezers like this. Install the eye of the tiger. Woo. Wow. Let me check this bad boy out. Wow, guys, did you hear the sound? Wow, this can be loud or very quiet. If you press it, really cool feeling. This is a premium slider. Very, very nice. From Shell Idea, you get the S3, which comes with a pouch that is an option like this. It's pretty nice. It has, of course, Shell Idea tag. You see some latches. Oh wow, that's very nice. So that's the triangular pouch, velcroed. Very nice. Shell Idea, check them out because they are rock and rolling with this S3, and you see some various options. I want to show you also these guys. If you're a Van Gogh fan, you see, you even have these fellas that you can install. Look at this. That's yeah, that is a pretty cool one. Of course, it comes with a tool and some of the extra ceramic balls to play, and this is just like a spare one, I believe. But anyways, this is a pretty cool one. Check it out. This is Shell Idea S3 slider designer. This is a very, very nice one. My favorite is this one with the, yeah, look at this, Eye of the Tiger. I think this is gonna be, wow, oops, I think this is gonna become one of my favorite design ever. You get Tritz slots, you get, look at the milling right over there, lanyard option. Guys, I'm impressed, I have to say. Really, really cool. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.